Hey guys, today we're going to cook this crock pot roast. So got a roast here. This is 4.2 pounds, and then got some Johnny's French dip sauce here. So I just use this. You could use this or the the mixed packets too. I like to use this, and you just do it's 2 parts right here. It's 2 parts water, 1 part concentrate. And then I just like to add a slice of wash, a slice of potatoes, slice up some onions, and some cloves of garlic. And this is really simple. You can let it cook all day, have a nice meal in the evening. So we go ahead and get this washed up and put in here. And put that on high for now. I like to just fill this up with water, dump it in there using the same container. One, and do another one. There's the second one, and I'll repeat it. Do another one here. Okay, that should be plenty for this one. Just used 2. Beautiful looking onions. So let's put these in there. Alright, I'm just gonna peel this garlic and add about 4 or 5 cloves to it. Whole, I'm not chopping it, just put it in there. Okay, you can smash this up or just put it in this whole. I'll just let that cook all day. All right, this baby's been cooking all day. Ooh, look at that. That looks good. There we go. That is gonna be good. Roasted potatoes, can't beat it. All right, let's give it a shot. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's give that a shot. Ooh. That's fresh out of the crock pot. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Try these onions. I'm eating with my fingers right now. I do eat proper. Oh Lord, that is good. Make this, everybody will be happy. They'll love it. I would say put more potatoes, put some carrots in there, double the onions, and be good to go. All right, thank you all for watching.